continuing the Strat-O-Matic advanced tutorial, this video will discuss nickel and dime defense. When the defensive coach believes that the offense plans to throw the ball, short or long, they may replace linebackers with defensive backs. So when do we use a nickel defense? In obvious passing situations, 3rd and long, 2-minute drill, hurry-up offense. You can use it with 3+ wide receiver sets, where the nickel back can cover the slot receiver. You can use it with teams that use pass-heavy offense. When to use a dime defense? Most commonly in long pass situations. Also at the end of the half 2-minute drills against 3 to 4 wide receiver sets and preventing late game deep balls. However, both the nickel and dime can get overpowered at the line. In correlation with Strat-O-Matic, we'll first go over the formations of the 4-3 defense. For the 4-2-5 nickel defense, we place the middle linebacker, the defensive back, who may be placed in short or long pass zone. Whenever he's placed on 2 men for the long pass zone, the defense must call pass. Now, the look-in pass is vacated, but the free safety can move there if desired. Now we'll set up the 4-1-6 dime defense. For the dime defense, you may remove any 2 linebackers and replace them with 2 defensive backs. You must call a pass. The sole linebacker initially is placed in look-in pass zone. This linebacker may be moved to the blitz areas directly to the left, right, or between both tackles, or to either flat pass zone. He is responsible for covering the fullback. The 5th defensive back is responsible for covering the halfback, and the free safety is free to double team if desired. The next formation we'll look at is the 5-6 defense. We're going to replace 3 linebackers with a defensive tackle and 2 defensive backs. In this defense, you must call pass. In pass rush situations, increase the rating of the defensive player by 1. The halfback and fullback are covered by the extra defensive backs. The 5-6 defense gives you added pass rush, but it'll make you vulnerable to the flat and look-in passes. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing but with a 3-4 defense. So for the 3-3-5 nickel defense, what we're going to do is we're going to replace one of the inside linebackers with a defensive back, who may be placed on the short or long pass zone. However, the defense must call a pass. It may call a run if the free safety is in the line of scrimmage. Next, we're going to go over the 3-4-6 dime defense. We're going to remove 2 inside linebackers and replace them with 2 defensive backs. And again, must call a pass defense with this setup. And now we'll go over the 5-6 defense. So with a 5-6 defense, we're going to replace 4 linebackers with 2 defensive tackles and 2 defensive backs. You must call pass. In pass rush situations, increase the rating of the defensive player by 1. The halfback and fullback are covered by the extra defensive backs. And again, when there are two defensive backs positioned in long pass zone in general, the defense must call pass. If a replacement defensive back does not have coverage responsibilities, they can be moved to any passing zone area on the board, but not the line of scrimmage. These defensive formations will be made after the offense sets up their formations. This ends the tutorial, and we'll download another Strat-O-Matic video next week. Hope to see you soon.